When you build it, she will come. Welcome to the age of Kaki, where kings become gods once again. And yes, I said it, kings shall become gods once again. By this, we mean it is time to enliven our life force essence, to rebuild our fire, to rekindle that flame, to lift our lingams, our jet pillars, our kakis. We have a formula that has 24 karat gold, monoatomic gold, frankincense, myrrh, and more. Yes, the ancient mystics and sages and kings used this formula to build their light body, to bring that energy up, to transform their natures, to remember themselves, because we are gods. So when you build it, she will come.